Now, did you know that you need to change your furnace air filters frequently to optimize its efficiency? In today's Home Sweet Home tip, R&R Mechanical Services is going to show you how to find it and how to replace it. Take a look.
Hi, this is Gumi with R&R Mechanical Heating and Cooling. Today I got one tip for you that is regarding your air filter. There's a lot of people out there that, believe it or not, they don't know where the air filter is, and sometimes they do, but they don't know exactly where it goes. Let me show you where your filter is located. If you have your furnace there, and then you have this section here, this is called the air drop. Your filter is going to be located either pull it out through the side, or it's going to be on through the top. Either way, you pull it out, you inspect the filter, see how dirty it is. And just to show you a comparison, we have one here that is a brand new one, different size, but it's a brand new filter. You can tell the difference. If it's already looking like this, it's best to replace it. Now, when you go replace that filter, you got to make sure you look at the arrows. All filters have arrows. These are directional. So when you go and insert that filter, those arrows have to be pointing towards that furnace. Pointing towards the furnace, you're good.